Joe from Taj Murder Medics. I've got a VW Golf here on a 2018 plate. If this is something that you got and you're wondering how to reset the service and inspection light, I'm going to show you how it's done. I've already got a short video of the TPMS reset, which is the tire pressure, and that's where the tire pressure lists are, if you're wondering. Now the thing I'm going to be doing on this, now this is exactly what the car looks like, so if you've got the same one, then you know what to do. So if I start the car up, as you can see in the middle right there, you've got oil, service and inspection due. Now to see the mileage, see how much is due, you scroll down all the way to service. Now inspection now, oil change, service now as well, but it doesn't tell you basically what the miles are and everything, and all how many miles you got to do it in. So I'm gonna go back. Oh, you can reset the tire pressure on here as well, just right there. So if I scroll back again, press the menu, right, switch the radio off, that's off. Now what I need to do is switch the ignition off, and then first what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset the oil service light. So what I need to do is hold this button right here, switch the ignition on, keep it pressed. I'm just going to shut the door. Right, now that I've shut the door, I'll hold this button, switch the ignition on, and in the middle you'll see the oil. Let go of the button, press it again. Now that's the service interval was reset. So switch the ignition off, and I'm going to now do the inspection. So what I need to do is hold the button again, switch the ignition on, keep hold of it. Now let go of the button as soon as it gets to inspection, reset. Let go of the button, switch the ignition off. Now if I start the car up, just to make sure we've done it right, so what I now need to do is go to car, settings, scroll down all the way to service. Now you can see inspection in 20,000 miles and 9,000 miles. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. Leave us a message or anything. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget, this is a 2018 to 2020 model VW Golf, and there are other videos for Golfs as well. So if you do want to check it out, check out the playlist, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video, thank you, and goodbye.